When I look around at the way things are going on, then I say to myself, how grateful we should be for everything that we have. Not anything we could not get. Put a smile on every face that we meet, for everybody hurts one way somehow. But we can make it if we work together. Live a life to work for one another. What a lovely day. What a lovely day to be right next to you, having the time of our life. Stepping around to the sounds of my community, I heard people say, word on the streets, things are falling apart. And I know we got to make another start. But I can't worry now, 'cause I know we all have a part to play. And I'm thankful to share with you the magic of.
El mundo tiene que ver su hermosura. Con una mirada me voy de aventura. Me tienes enfermo pero tú tienes la cura. Y sin duda, esa niña debe ser famosa.